It's Michele, Leona, and I'm back with another hair review. I'm super excited about this hair review because I'm going to be reviewing these lovely GYPSY locks that Main Concept sent to me. They sent me 7 packs of hair and I used all 7. If you want to achieve a full head, I'd say 5 to 7 packs would be suffice, I feel. I was doing research and I found that a lot of people who did do crochet locks use about like 5 to 7, 6 to 7 packs, or like 6.5 to 7 packs. So this is the box that it came in. The colors that are available are a 1, a 1B, a 2, a 4, a T1B27, a T1B30, and a T1B burgundy. They sent me the color T1B burgundy and I absolutely love this color. The packaging also comes with this card. They're 20 inches. Excuse my nails, I gotta get a feel. And the ends are also preset, so you don't have to dip them in hot water, but if you wear them for a while, like longer than 3 to 4 weeks, if you want to go back and dip them in hot water, you can do so. And they have instructions on the back that will let you know how to do it. Now, on to the pros and cons about this hair. I do have some pros and I do have some cons. Now, the pros about this hair is I love the fact that I can get up in the morning and I don't have to do really anything to this hair. I can get up and go. Any type of style I want to do, half up, half down. If I wanted to keep it down like this, I could. It's very versatile. I love the versatility of this hair. That's a pro about this hair. It's very light. That's another pro about this hair. I love the fact that it's very, very light. Like, a lot of people come up to me and they're like, isn't it very heavy? No, it's not heavy at all. Now, if I was to pull all of this hair up in a bun on the top of my head, of course it would be heavy, like within maybe 30 minutes to an hour or so, and I have to take it down. But I feel as though that's with any type of braiding faux lock style that is longer than 12 inches, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. And from other videos that I've seen, other influencers have said when they pull their hair up, it's a bit heavy. But other than that, it's light. In my opinion, it's light. Another pro about this hair is the fact that with the right maintenance, this hair can last you a very long time. Now, as far as maintenance for these faux locks, I use a range of products. I use the Cream of Nature with argan oil from Morocco, Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. And you gotta remember, with this product, you shake to activate it. So what I do with this is, I just take it and I spray it. I spray it in my scalp. And sometimes I just spray it on my faux locks. Now, you don't do this every day. You don't do it every day. I also use, now don't judge me, okay? I've had this for a long time. I've used this product on all of my crochet styles. The can is beat up, but this is my Old Faithful, my Carol's Daughter Mimosa Hair Honey Conditioner Mist Protective Style. This right here is the business. This controls frizz. Child, I don't even want to show y'all the bottle because y'all gonna try to come for me. Don't come for me. Okay, but I'm trying to, I'm trying to give y'all the tea, okay? I'm giving y'all the tea on all of these products. It really works. It really works. So I got this from the beauty supply store. It cost me about like $15. The beauty supply store, sometimes they be, They be charging you an arm and a leg for stuff. But this is the bottle right here that it comes in. It's a green bottle. Of course it's gonna look prettier than this. It's a light mist. And I just spray that on my head to control the frizz. The next product I use, now you know whenever we get our crochets done, sometimes it's tight. Of course it loosens up eventually, but if your hair is a little bit too tight and it lasts maybe a day or two and it doesn't loosen up as quickly as you think it should, Carol's Daughter came out with another product from their Mimosa Hair Honey line, and this is the Calming Tension Spray. And this also cost me $15. I got it from the beauty supply store. I just spray this directly on my scalp and rub it in. And this right here you use as much as you need to. There's no limit. No limit. Okay, sorry. You know, there's no limit amount of times to where you can apply it. And as far as oil, we have to make sure that we oil our scalp. I used to be really bad at this. Like, I would oil my scalp some and then I wouldn't oil it, like, you know, days later. And then, you know, my scalp would, you know, just, it would scream and, you know, be really upset with me. So I use the Amla Legend Rejuvenating Ritual Rejuvenating Oil. They said that twice. But anyway, this oil is really good for your scalp. I use this also for my scalp, you know, for dry scalp. This helps my scalp to stay moisturized, especially since I wear protective styles on the regular. So this is that. Come on now, come on shirt, come on shirt. Okay, now these may seem like a lot of products to you guys, but I don't use these every single day. Some products you may use once a week. Like, for example, this I may use once to twice a week. I won't use this every day. This right here, I may use once a week. This right here, you use as needed. If your joints is tight, you use this mug as needed, okay? You use it as needed. Everything is falling on my little stand. I'm trying to be, you know, organized, and it's just not working. Okay, anyway. Now this oil I have to use oil at least 3 times a week because, like I said, I have dry scalp. So I use this oil or either the Mazzani Comforderm oil 3 times a week because I have dry scalp. And last but not least, this is my baby. I just found out about this oil and I'm like, where have I been? Like, I must have been under a rock. This is the Michele, I think I said it right, the Michele Organics Pure Simple Natural Mint Almond Oil. Healthy hair and scalp. This mint almond oil is the bee's knees, okay? I found this product at Target and it helps with dandruff, it helps with dry scalp, and it also promotes hair growth. So I put it in my scalp probably maybe 1 to 2 times a week, and it also gives my scalp that minty, fresh feeling. And now for the cons. Some cons about the hair would have to be that they do tangle a bit at the ends. Now the tangling at the ends is nothing that's not manageable. All I do is I take some shears and I'll just snip it at the end. Another con about the GYPSY locks, and honestly it's not a con to me, but it can be a con to some who don't like a lot of this, would be frizz. It does frizz up over time, but I believe that they're supposed to frizz up a little bit over time because it gives it that natural look, that natural, you know, faux lock look. I like it. I like it that it frizzes up over time a little bit because it's not perfect. GYPSY locks, crochet locks, faux locks, any type of lock, I feel, is not supposed to look perfect all the time. So for some, they might not like that. For me, it gives me that natural look. And the last con would have to be sometimes the hair gets caught on jewelry pieces or earrings, and even sometimes your nails. If you have nails that may be broken, whether they be real or false, So it's best to make sure your nails are always done, cut, and kept whenever you wear any type of faux lock, I feel, because it will snag your hair. Once again, I want to thank you guys for joining me for another hair review. I love you guys. I hope you guys have a great week and weekend. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you're just now visiting my channel, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Make sure you comment, like, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys next time. Love ya. Peace.